morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are well. Okay, and now I am going to take English language chapter 4 words. Already I taught this lesson, but now I am going to revision part 1 and part 2. It is over. Now part 3. Okay. All of you take your English language book, page number 26. Okay, listen. We use is and am when we speak out one person or thing. We use are when we speak about more than one person or thing. Listen, we use is and am when we speak to one person or one thing. We use are when we speak about more than one person or thing. Understand? Listen, example, he is Ronnie, I am Meena, we are in class 2. He is Ronnie, Ronnie is one person only, that's why we are using here is. I am Meena, I means one, I am, that's why we are using am. Then we are in class 2, we means one more person, we are sitting, we are, that's why here we are using are. Understand? Is, are. Then see, fill in the blanks with the is, are. Those who are not written in the copy, now you listen and write in your English language copy. Those who are not written previous, now you have to write now. Okay, listen. Hello, I am Rahul. He is Sunil. We are brothers. My mother is a doctor. My father is a pilot. This is my room. These are my books. We are from Kanpur. We are a happy family. Understand all of you? See, is, am and are. When we are using is and am, one person and one thing. Are we are using one more person, one more thing, we are using are. Understand all of you? Okay, then next, when we talk about something that is already happened, we use was and were instead of is and are. Already happened, it is, we can use was and were instead of is and are. Example, it is raining. It was raining. The children are in the school. The children were in the school. Understand all of you? Example, see, it is raining. Is, we are using is. When we talk about something that we already happened, we use is. It is raining. It is raining. Is continuation. It was raining. It is already happened. That is why we are using was. Raining. Then the children are in school. The children were in school. Instead of is and are, we are using are. See, the children are in school. The children were in school. Okay. Then the fill in the blanks with the was or were. The bees were buzzing in the hay. The baby was pointing at the toy. Fali and Reena were playing football. The kittens were healthy and playful. Suman was skating in the rink. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the was and were. First, the bees were. Second, the baby was. The third one, were. Reena were. The kittens were. Then Suman was skating in the ring. Okay? Then take page number 27. We use has when we talk about one person, place, animal or thing. We use have when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. However, we use have with the I when we talk about ourselves. See, we use has when we talk about one person, place, animal or thing. We use was. Then we use have when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. Wherever you use have with I, we can talk about ourselves. We can use has and have one person and one thing, we can use has. One more person, we can use have. Like in ourselves also, we can use have. Understand? See the example. Bindu has 5 pencils. I have many books. I have many books. I. That's why ourselves. That's why we are using here have. Bindu has 5 pencils and I have many books. Bindu has 5 pencils. I have many books. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the has or have. This park has many swings. The lion has a thick mane. Some birds have colorful feathers. A tree has many branches. Roses have a sweet smell. Monkeys have long tails. Roma has a twin sister. I have a new bicycle. See, repeat. Roma has a twin sister. I have a new bicycle. Okay, where we are using has and have. Are you understand? Okay. Can we move next lesson, next exercise? See. We usually add ed to the verb when we talk about something that happened yesterday, last week or even a moment ago. When we are using ed, it is happened, something about happened yesterday. Example, what, want, wanted, moved. Example C, want, wanted, moved. Certain verbs change when we talk about something that happened in the past. Write, wrote, buy, bought. This one also we can use. It is something happened in the past. Okay, happened in the yesterday, we can use ed. Then some words we are using write, wrote, buy, bought. This one also happened in the past. Next exercise. Add ed to make yesterday words. See, laugh, laughed, act, acted, touch, touched, wash, washed, visit, talk. See, I repeat. Laugh, laughed, act, acted, touch, touched, wash, washed, visited, talk, talked. Understand? Write the yesterday words chosen from the box. Box में some words is there. You can select and write the correct space. Okay. Swim, swam, come, came, break, broke, fall, fell, throw, threw, give, gave, drink, drank, stand, stood, eat, ate, sing, sang, ride, rode, sleep, slept. Understand all of you? Then see, tick the yesterday words. First one, who bracket is ring and rang the bell. Answer it is the who rang the bell. It is yesterday words. Who rang the bell? You can tick here. You should tick rang. Okay. Then second one, I bracketed is saw and see. The answer is saw. I saw many kids in the sky yesterday. I saw many kites in the sky yesterday. I saw. Tick it here. Then the kind gained, lived and live. Answer it is lived. Lived. Lived in a big palace. Then 4. My grandmother planted. Answer it is planted this mango tree. My grandmother planted this mango tree. Then Mummy wash and washed. Answer it is mummy washed the clothes. The clothes. Okay. Mummy washed the clothes. Then Papa iron and ironed. Bracket it is iron and ironed. The answer it is Papa ironed them. Papa ironed them. Okay. The chapter 4 revision also is over. Understand all of you? Those who are not written in your copy, now you have to write in your copy. It is your homework. Then study well. All the exercise study well. What I taught. Okay. Thank you.